Good morning, Center 2. So today we will be using our capital K and small k to write a short word and to continue to practice our letter K. So what I'm noticing is that people are writing their K like this. They do their line down and then they come here, but they go straight like that. They come back out and they go like this. This is not the right way to write our letter K, right? This is not how we want to write it. We want to make sure we write it a little differently. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to do your curve straight down. You're going to find a spot not too far on the top of the line. You're going to go straight across, close to the middle, and then you're going to come back out and loop out. So let's try that again. Straight down, straight, keep your line straight or slant. You're slanting it, but you're going straight like a vertical way. Come back out, around, and out. So this is the kind of K that we want, okay? Not this kind. So today we're going to write the word kid using capital K and also the small k. So let's start. I'm going to go ahead, draw my line. Gonna come straight across, around, down. I will go straight into my I. I will not dot the I yet. Come back down, go straight into my D. And then I dot the I at the end. You want this to touch the line, right? Mine went up a little bit more. Let me do it again. Okay, we're gonna do our curve down, slant across, curve back up, down, go straight into the I, don't dot the I, come back down to the line, go straight into your D, come back round, go straight up, come back down on that line, curve out, and then you dot that I, right? So let's do that again. Curve down, straight across, straight into that I, curve up, come back down, straight into that D, up, back down on that line, curve out, and then you dot the I. So you're going to do at least 3 kid on each line, one with the capital K, skip a line, and then you start with your small k. So let's do that with the small k. We start at the bottom of the line, we curve up, around, down, right back up on that line, curve in, back out, straight into that I, then straight into that D again, up to the top of the line, down, back on that line, around, and then you go ahead and you dot that I. So you will give me 3 kid on a line with the capital K, 1, 2, 3, and then skip a line, 3 kid with the small k, small k. So you're going to put 1, 2, 3 here. Skip a line and you reverse it. Capital K, small k, capital K, small k. Join it with the I and D to form the word kid. Send me a picture. Make sure it's neat and very nice. I do not want to see people giving me some huge K's that are taking up 3 lines like this. This is not the way we want it. We want to write it between 2 lines like that. Okay, bye.